The development of proliferation of contemporary technologies like the internet, mobile phones, and smartphones have changed people's daily lives. In this video, you will see 10 incredible inventions you must have. Keep on watching this video to see these amazing inventions you don't want to miss. Number 1. All-Pro Passer Robotic Quarterback. The developers of this tool claim that the robot possesses the skill, timing, and accuracy of a human quarterback. It can throw the ball up to 25 yards, making it an important tool for team and individual practice. A wide variety of game options are made possible by the robot's ability to hurl the ball into 9 distinct areas. It's really straightforward to use, only needing 4C batteries, and the user interface is straightforward. The robot is best used in the great outdoors or a park, as its powerful toss might cause harm to your belongings. The ball is included with the set, which costs $50. Number 2. ZHENDUO Outdoor HDS 68 Nerf Shotgun. Any fan of plastic replica firearms would do well to consider this weapon. Up to 26 feet of range, 3 shooting modes, left barrel, right barrel, or both barrels at once, and 6 impressive-looking rounds of ammunition are all features of this gun. Some of its best qualities are those listed above. With the flip of a lever, you may choose between several different shooting modes. The handgun costs roughly $80. But the resemblance to the weapon used by the game's protagonist in Doom has many people more worried about it than the price. Auxiliary equipment for outdoor use, young children would benefit greatly from using it since it is the most effective tool for usage during outdoor activities. The very sharp blade provides a once-in-a-lifetime chance to swiftly and efficiently sever solid and resilient steel or steel. Number 3. CAMORO Electric 500WC Scooter. Exciting new technology for aquatic enthusiasts. The manufacturer of this electric micro scooter asserts that riding it would make you feel like a mermaid as you skim through the water. This variant is lightweight and at just 9 pounds and can be easily transported from place to place. It can reach depths of up to 50 meters or 164 feet and can operate for up to an hour on a single charge. There is a possibility that you may attain speeds of up to 4 miles per hour as you navigate the underwater landscape. In addition to improving mobility and usability, the device's compact and integrated design also makes it a breeze to use. Anyone, no matter their level of experience, can learn to swim and dive like an expert if they put in the time and effort. The symmetrical design, made possible by the 2 thrusters, allows for agility and precision in the water, as well as easy transport on dry land. Dual thrusters make this design feasible. Number 4. CHEERWING RC Boat. This remote-controlled boat is 25 inches in length and can go at a rate of 30 miles per hour. Its modern appearance makes it an ideal present for both young and old. The fun can last for 6 minutes on a single charge, and the range is 492 feet. The distinctive capsize recovery feature and automatic gear correction is also featured. To add insult to injury, if the controller detects a poor signal or low battery, it will beep. How cool is that? Number 5. FIFISH V6 Expert. You'd rather have a quieter vacation, right? If you're in the area and there's ocean, you should check out this ROV robot. It will let you take breathtaking photos of the underwater environment, but it will set you back at a pretty penny. Drone features a 4K camera, 6,000 lumens of light, and a custom algorithm to capture spectacular images. Featuring 28 multi-tool extensions, the FIFISH V6 Expert is a professional-grade micro underwater drone. The V6 Expert has an enhanced tether, a faster charger, a more refined controller, and an additional cute interface. The ability to attach 28 various extensions to FIFISH V6 Expert allows for a wide range of inspections, measurements, navigation, manipulators or robotic arm or grabber, etc., and detection or sampling of water quality. With virtual reality compatibility, you can operate the Rove only by turning your head. The Rove can remain submerged for up to 1.5 hours, and its data connection may extend to a depth of 328 feet. There is a Wi-Fi option for the robot. This will set you back around $6,200. Number 6. Father.io. When it comes to first-person shooters that utilize AR technology, Father.io AR FPS is the pioneer. Bring the thrill, strategy, and skills you've learned from gaming into your real life, using a unique blend of augmented reality and first-person shooter gameplay. Father.io turns outdoor spaces like parks and plazas into gigantic battle arenas where no limits are barred. The Inceptor is the first mobile phone add-on to turn the real world into a massive laser tag arena. Connect the Inceptor to your smartphone via the Father.io FPS app and get ready for the most exciting augmented reality battle yet. The Inceptor tool provides users with a wide selection of weapons, each having its own rate of fire, potential damage, and shooting distance attributes, and the ability to shoot from a distance of up to 50 meters. Pick a playable character, equip a GPS radar to track down enemies and allies, and use the class's unique geolocation-based abilities to your advantage in combat. Number 7. Orfy Smart Footwear. These shoes are a high-tech wearable device with 9-axis motion sensors, around 100 programmable LEDs, and a Bluetooth module for connecting to an app for simpler control. In addition, it includes its own software development kit, allowing anybody to create iOS and Android programs that operate with it and increase its creative potential. The Orfy LED performance shoes will monitor your motions and respond with lights and music from either the app or internet downloadable schemes. Transform your next night out partying into a full-fledged multimedia show and unleash your imagination with the Orfy, which will respond in whatever manner you like and open up new creative options. Participate in the wearable revolution with this innovative and elegant device from the nation that has raised LED manufacturing to an art form. Number 8. Vurtego V4 Pro POGO Stick. The Vurtego V4 Pro is the most cutting-edge and professional-grade extreme pogo stick that has ever been created. It makes significant enhancements to all that the V4 has to offer. The idea was conceived while the author was thinking about a portable trampoline. The best riders in the world are able to do leaps that are at least 10 feet in height on it. If you pump more air into the V4 pogo stick, the spring will become stiffer as a result. You are able to leap for further than you would be able to with a regular pogo stick due to the stiffer spring. The V4 Pro Extreme Pogo Stick is the best option available if your goals including doing tricks, jumping over barriers, or going as high as you possibly can. Pogo stick riders weighing at least 75 pounds are recommended for use with the Vertego V4 Pro model. Number 9. Onago Fly, the Smart Nano Drone. The Onago Fly is a follow-me nano drone that will soon be available for actual flight by its users. The 5x5-inch quadcopter can record in full high definition, follow your motions using GPS, and avoid obstructions as it does so. If there's any justice in the world, the Onago Fly Smart Nano Drone will succeed where the Zano Nano Drone fell short, at least for the more than 5,000 people who backed it on Indiegogo. The Onago Fly is another little quadcopter that can be controlled with an iOS or Android mobile. Its primary function is to take aerial selfies or record full high-definition videos in 1080p as it follows you around while you're flying through the air. Number 10. Swin Car. The Swin Car e-Spider is a strong and powerful four-wheeled electric vehicle designed to offer the best levels of safety, performance, and rider comfort. This vehicle exploits the strength of gravity and centrifugal force to cross challenging off-road terrain by employing independently movable spider-like limbs. Thanks to the pendulum seat, the driver can keep a level position and all four wheels may retain contact with the ground even on the steepest inclines and while climbing obstacles. The Swin Car revolutionizes off-road travel since it is completely electric, fully capable, and accessible to everyone. The e-Spider is a fascinating vehicle to use and takes the lone explorer into the closest possible physical touch with the surrounding natural environment. With a vehicle that is nimble, durable, and entirely emission-free, you can experience the most exhilarating features of off-roading and the natural environment. And that ends our video for today. We hope you enjoyed exploring the incredible things that are existing. Which of them are you most excited about? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content such as this.